let's get started. The package includes one mini Zigbee RBS module, a quick start guide, and a user manual. Power off before wiring. Refer to the wiring diagram displayed on screen. Connect each wire to the corresponding terminal. Ensure all connections are secure. Power it on. On first power up, the device enters pairing mode automatically. Follow the on-screen steps to complete pairing. A Zigbee hub is required for network integration. Test motor direction and switch response. If direction is reversed, power off and correct the wiring. Once confirmed, power off again. Place the unit into the wall box and secure it. Power on. Installation is complete.